Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to create a small space garden right in your own home so you can have fresh ingredients for your delicious smoothies. Whether you have a tiny balcony or just a small corner in your kitchen, we've got you covered. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is assess your available space. Look for areas that receive adequate sunlight, whether it's a sunny windowsill, a balcony, or even a small patio. Remember, most plants need at least 6 hours of sunlight per day to thrive. Next, choose the right containers for your small space garden. Opt for containers that have drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. You can use pots, hanging baskets, or even repurpose old containers like mason jars or tin cans. Get creative. Now comes the fun part: selecting your smoothie ingredients. Choose plants that are suitable for container gardening and that you enjoy in your smoothies. Some great options include herbs like basil and mint, leafy greens like spinach and kale, and compact fruiting plants like cherry tomatoes or strawberries. Proper soil preparation is crucial for the success of your small space garden. Use a high-quality potting mix that is well-draining and nutrient-rich. You can also add organic compost or slow-release fertilizer to provide essential nutrients for your plants. It's time to get your hands dirty. Plant your chosen herbs, greens, and fruits in the containers, following the recommended spacing guidelines for each plant. Water them thoroughly after planting and make sure to water regularly, keeping the soil moist but not waterlogged. Remember to check the specific care requirements for each plant, as they may vary. As your small space garden grows, you'll start to see the fruits of your labor. When your plants are ready for harvest, simply pick the fresh ingredients and incorporate them into your favorite smoothie recipes. There's nothing quite like the taste of homegrown goodness. And there you have it, your very own small space garden for fresh smoothie ingredients. But wait, we have something special for you. Here's a recipe for a mood-boosting smoothie using your homegrown ingredients. Recipe: energizing mood boost, smoothie ingredients. Handful of fresh spinach leaves, 1 ripe banana, 1/2 cup fresh strawberries, 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon honey, 1/2 cup almond milk, or any milk of your choice. A few ice cubes. Instructions: 1. Wash the spinach leaves thoroughly and add them to your blender. 2. Peel the banana and break it into chunks. Add it to the blender. 3. Rinse the strawberries, remove the stems, and add them to the blender as well. 1. Spoon in the Greek yogurt and drizzle the honey over the ingredients. 1. Pour in the almond milk and add a few ice cubes for a refreshing chill. 1. Blend everything together until smooth and creamy. 2. Pour into a glass and garnish with a strawberry slice or a sprinkle of chia seeds if desired. This mood-boosting smoothie is packed with nutrients and natural goodness to help lift your spirits. The combination of fresh spinach, strawberries,